Bonfire Night is a celebration of a failed attempt of blowing up Parliament by Guy Fawkes. Well, you couldn't forgive these people in Lansbury Park for thinking that, well, he should have actually succeeded. Maybe it's a bad thing in their eyes that he failed, because it's the most deprived area in Wales. The last time it was ranked, they've lost a doctor's surgery, they've lost a community centre, a pub, a housing centre, but the main thing is they all come together tonight as a community. Remember back in the day in Aberturo when we used to do this when we were kids, Peen?
Absolutely, yeah.
Seems to be a dying tradition, but yeah, certainly not down here. 4 bonfires now.
Chunky chips. I should say the famous chunky chips. And I have heard that these have organised this tonight and they've paid a lot towards it as well. Yeah, so fair play to these chunky chips, fair play.
All penitentiaries, more than music is meant to be. So I go in a hand like a century, so I go in a hand like a centipede. I'm a top of the game like a documentary. I'm so sick for the minute dispensary. Feel it just documentary. I'm in here, making it quicker. 2028 is a great year, right to the top, taking it placer.
So I know there's been some competition, right, from, I think, Graegaracca.
Turn left towards Snowdon Court.
Oh, we're lost in Lansbury Park, we are. A couple of wolves, like. Yeah, there's been competition, Graegaracca. Penrhys was another one I seen. We've just witnessed a Lansbury Park one, and that's going to take some beating, I can tell you that. What do you reckon, Peen?
Yeah. Hello, mate. Hiya.
Yeah, so just arriving back home now. I'm from Aber Valley, Aberturo. I can relate to the community spirit there at Lansbury tonight and enjoy it. And those fireworks were unbelievable. They were good enough to rival the likes of Caerphilly Castle, yet this wasn't paid for by some big organisation or whatever. It was paid for and organised and set up by the people and the community of Lansbury. I don't think they were celebrating Bonfire Night, as I said earlier in the video, in the traditional sense of Guy Fawkes and Parliament. They were just celebrating themselves. They were celebrating Lansbury as a community, and they absolutely smashed it.